talk about leaks. Mostly leaks about Apple and rumors about Apple as well. So leak culture is super popular right now, mostly when it's about Apple and other products that they are currently working on and releasing in the future, or maybe in a few days, depending if they're having an Apple event or something. So, this week, of course, Apple just held their September event where they showed off their iPhone, the new Apple Watch, the iPad mini, and other services as well that they will be releasing this fall. But one of the big things that everybody was disappointed or something like that was the Apple Watch Series 7 design. That many people thought it was going to be a flat edge design, since that's what many people saw on the leaks months ahead. Like I think in May or something, when we had first pictures and articles and videos of the new Apple Watch Series 7, that it was going to be a flat edge design. But of course, the Apple event happened and Apple showed off the new Watch Series 7, and it was not a flat edge design, but it was with the same design as always, with the rounded edges, just a bigger screen, of course, to show much more information on the watch face. So the leakers, of course, were wrong this time when it came to the Apple Watch Series 7 design and the look of it as well. But of course, not every time leakers are wrong. Sometimes they get it right, like sometimes when it's a Google event, of course, and it's a Google Pixel phone. Usually, a lot of the time, those rumors and leakers are right when they get from their sources about the specs and the look of the phone as well. And so they do have their days as well. But for some reason, of course, we're always really hooked up with having to know what the new iPhone or what new product is going to look like from Apple. And so Apple, of course, recently has been stepping up their game on stopping those leaks from coming out, either from within their company or from third-party manufacturers as well. But it's very hard for Apple, as a big company as it is right now, to stop leaks and stop those rumors from happening about Apple, of course. But of course, so leakers know that Apple is trying very, very hard to stop those rumors and leaks from leaving their Apple campus, of course. So leakers and rumors and their sources are going after the third-party manufacturers, the ones who build the products for Apple, who build the iPhones, who build the Apple Watches and everything. They go after them and try to see if they could get any information from them. Maybe they'll have a source within the company that's working there, and then they're able to sneak out a 3D model of the prototype or something, and then they have a product and everything, and they can make a video or write a blog about it as well. So yeah, it's very interesting how much work, of course, leakers go through just to get a 3D model or just a prototype of something, of anything, of a rumored of an Apple product. Mostly, of course, if it's an iPhone, since that's what everybody's very wants to know about, is the new iPhone and everything. But then you have some rumors and leaks coming out 1 year ahead, like where they're talking about the iPhone 14 already, when only this week already Apple just released the iPhone 13. And they're already talking about, they already have the design and everything of how the iPhone 14 is going to look, how it's not going to have a camera bump or anything like that no more. So yeah, it's just very crazy, this leak culture world that we're living in, and how much people actually want to know about that stuff. Now, of course, I'm not one of those people that click on the links on the blogs and reads about these leaks or anything like that. Of course, they come up on my Twitter feed and everything when I'm on Twitter and I'm scrolling and everything, and then I see, oh, they have a rumored iPhone 14 or the rumored Apple Watch Series 7 design and everything. I see the picture and everything, but other than that, I'll go read about it, because honestly, it's 1 year ahead and it's just too early to tell when it comes to that kind of stuff if it's really worth reading about 1 year ahead, when Apple can do so much design changes in 1 year already. Or maybe Apple is even playing those people as well. Maybe they want them to receive those products like the iPhone 14 model, and so that they have something to play around with, and then after, when the fall event happens, it's another design, and Apple is laughing at them since they got it wrong and they fell for the trap. Sometimes that could happen as well. Maybe that happened with the Apple Watch Series 7, where they somebody leaked out a flat edge design, and the internet went wild. Everybody liked it and everything, and they were hoping for that. But then at the end of the day, the Apple was the Series 7 design, same design that we've come to know, and made what has made Apple's watch very popular, of course. So, I'm not saying, leakers get it, that rumors and leakers are bad or anything like that. It is a culture. People are into that stuff. Some people make a living off that stuff, of course, writing about it, making videos about it even as well. So yeah, it's just very, very just interesting, of course, when it comes to this type of stuff. But of course, we gotta remember, at the end of the day, people who are writing about this or making video about this, they need to get paid, right? Like, people, they know that this will get clicks on their blogs or videos as well. And that's where the ad money comes in. A lot of people want to see, is that really the new iPhone 14? They'll click on it, get a lot of views, they'll make their money, and onto the next stuff, onto the next leak or something like that. So that's why, of course, like, I don't read this type of stuff. I just try to stay away from it, just because there's no point of reading about it when it's 1 year ahead. Like, honestly, Apple can do so much changes. All these companies can make so much changes. It's like, sometimes I get it. It's fun to read about it, but it's not worth it for me. Since also, that's not the type of videos that I make. I don't make leak rumor type of videos where we're talking about the new design, the new Apple Watch design, new car or something. Like, it's just crazy how much leak culture and how much we're addicted to Apple and want to know what they are working on, of course, since they are secretive company. But I think that's the fun about it. Like, that's the fun about Apple being such secretive. You can speculate, of course, what they're working on and everything. But yeah, it's just really, really fun to see when leakers are either wrong or right, but mostly wrong most of the time. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not the same type of videos that I usually make, where I review apps and products and setups and anything like that. But I just thought this was very important to talk about the leak culture and everything. And that's pretty much it. And if you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, it'll mean the world to me if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.